stop by because a lot of probably Pinks fans have no clue what you even got here. This is a Top Fuel Harley.
Yeah, it used to be a Top Fuel Harley.
Oh, it's not a Fuel Harley?
Oh, it's still a Top Fuel Harley,
Right.
but now this one is supercharged.
Okay.
The only one in the world like this that makes this much horsepower, 1,600 horsepower.
Really?
Out of 2 cylinders. It's like having a Jeff Gordon and a Tony Stewart in each hole. Yeah, 1,600 horsepower.
1,600.
We've got to give them a show. This thing takes 6 gallons of nitromethane to go a quarter of a mile out of 2 cylinders.
So it burns 6 gallons.
6 gallons
to make one pass.
In one pass.
This is where it is at.
We've been
and we're
doing
not
this
going
12
anywhere.
years.
12 years.
This is the best thing in 12 years.
And we're going nowhere. Only here, where you guys go, we'll follow you all over the ends of the earth. We swear. So come see us and enjoy the show. Because we love doing this. We love these guys. We love Rich and everybody. And this is the best show ever. Everybody treats you great. And come have a good time with us.